Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and for recipe tutorials. Now in the last video I showed you how to make the raisin cookies. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the double chocolate fudge cakes. Now before you make this recipe, if you haven't got most of the ingredients, head to the shops and go and get what you need. First off, is to sift in a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 175 grams of self-raising flour, and sift this through, and also add in 100 grams of golden caster sugar and 50 grams of brown soft sugar, both sugars. Give all the sifted ingredients well, a thorough mix well on this. Next thing to do in the recipe is to make a well in the middle for the wet ingredients. First of all is add in 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, $150 of both the sunflower oil and whole milk, both of them are 150 mils. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs, What's next in the recipe is to give it a whisk, either with this one or an electric hand whisk. Make it even a chocolate cake mixture as it is. Next is to divide the batter equally into 2 tins, and I grease them. These are the cake mixture that's been divided into cake tins. Then bake them for 20 to 25 minutes, 180 in the oven, or until the skewer comes out of the oven clean. So pause the video now. I'm going to be showing you what to do next. Now that the cake is already done and has been baked in the oven for 25 minutes. Now I have melted 100 grams of melted white chocolate, and then I'm going to add 115 grams of butter and 100 grams of icing sugar, which needed to be sifted for this. You want this to be buttercream. Give all of this a scissors. Make sure there's no lumps in there. Once the icing sugar has been sifted, give that a stir until it has combined like a buttercream mixture. So mix this like a buttercream mixture. So, after it's been mixed, put it on top of the cooled cakes. Once you ice the first cake, then ice this cake on top of the first one. This is the cake that has been sandwiched on top. As a cake like this, so this cake should be sandwiched as a cake like this. I showed you all how to make the buttercream icing, so I'm going to show you how to make the chocolate fudge icing. First of all, for the icing is to put the 200 milliliters of double cream into the small saucepan over a medium heat, and then bring it to the boil. Once it is hot, bring it to the boil like this. Next is put the chopped chocolate, the milk, the plain one, which is 200 grams, 50 grams of butter, and also 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, and to pour in this 200 milliliters of double cream to make this a chocolate fudge icing. And to give this a stir with a whisk until it is all combined. Once it is combined, then sift over the icing sugar until it is smooth. Once you have lumps on the icing sugar, just scrape it with a whisk until the lumps have all disappeared. Start whisking this until it becomes smooth after it's been sifted. Once the icing has been smooth, leave it for 5 minutes until it is cool and thickens slightly.